Hi everyone, welcome to Christine's Creation. How you guys doing today? So I'm calling this Magenta Splash because it's a lot of pinks and gold and just fun swirlies. Coming up with the names, sometimes it's like a light bulb moment and sometimes it's just like, Magenta Splash. Okay, all right, that's what it's gonna be. Magenta and gold. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I shot this last week before I got sick, and I'm just now getting around to doing more editing, and I'm trying to get a lot of the back videos that I have straightened up. So I've already shot this, I've already resined it and everything, and I'm going to show you the resin finish at the end. So let's get down to the painting. Okay, here we are everyone. Got a 10 by 10 canvas right here, all taped up, ready to go, and I like the tiles. Okay, hi everyone. So here we are at the painting table, and I love these tiles so much that I am going to do the exact colors that I did in this. And it just came out so nice, and I'm going to try to do a bigger version, not a swipe, but a bloom. So I've got, this should be pretty quick because I've got it all figured out. I mean, you never know though, right? Okay, so I'm going to put a nice pillow paint, and I am using the Glidden Premium semi-gloss white with nothing else in it. I'm just going to leave it there. I may pour out the corners later. Should I do it now? Yeah, go ahead and do it now. Now I do want a very full coverage today. So I usually, oh gosh, sorry, okay. I usually go for negative space, but I'm going to be using a lot more pigments because I want it to be completely covered. So what goes on in the middle is really important. So fingers crossed. Okay, so I am going to do the background color just like I did in the other one, and that is the this little piggy golden peach. Love this color. Actually, I'm going to leave it like that because if I do that, then it's going to mess with my pillow, which is a cushion. I don't want to thin that out. So I changed my mind. I'm a woman. I reserve the right to change my mind. All right, Harvest Gold. This is the Color Art Hot Cinnamon and Plumera. So it's mostly Plumera with a dash of red in it to darken it. Okay. This is called Ballet Slipper by this little piggy. Very pearl. Making quite a big puddle. This is Amsterdam's Magenta. Gorgeous pink.
to use the Golden Peach again because it has an effect when it's dry that it looks pink, and then it changes like a color changing paint to gold. So it's called Golden Peach. And then this is the Harvest Gold again. And the Plumeria. Just a tad in the middle there. Okay, hopefully that's enough. And I've got my black cell activator. Now I have my blow dryer. I am thinking about doing something in the middle real quick. Black over here. Not very even, is it? Okay, I'm gonna give this a good minute to finish coming to the center, and I'm gonna come back to you guys once it's done. All the cells are over here. There's not very much cells over there. Okay, I think I'm ready to spin it now. Holy cow, wow. Woo! Definitely got full coverage. Wow. I love it. This is a little black though, huh? It looks like there's some cells coming through there. Very black spot. Look, there is cells coming out of it. Yay. Let's see if I can get you guys to zoom in. They're weird cells though, huh? Kind of weirdly shaped. You guys, I really like this. This is really pretty. This spot though is just, what is going on? What is that? I'm gonna do something here. Okay, I'm gonna give it another quick spin, a light spin. Nice. Okay. Yep, that was quick. One and done. Love it. This is going to be a beauty when this gold dries. It's going to be a beauty. Okay, I'm going to bring you guys over to the drying table. Okay, everyone, so here she is, still wet. And just wanted to show you the stained glass effect. Like right there, right there. And then I actually like this corner. I wanted more cells all over, and it just didn't happen. So there are no cells over here. But I feel like the swirls give it enough movement to make it still look very interesting. So yeah, I really like it, and then I think it's going to be gorgeous when it's dry. Hopefully we can see that now. Okay. Okay guys, so here is the finish of the painting you just saw. This might not be the best light, but this little guy. I think I'm gonna take it outside and give you guys a better picture, but this is what it looks like. And I think it's really sweet. Really, really sweet. So the glare is not working with me. All right, let's go outside and take a look at this thing. Okay, so here we are outside, and of course my neighbor is weed whacking, and there's all kinds of crazy wind, but I wanted to show you guys the pretty, pretty snorkel and the gorgeous lovelies. Look at that, it's blinding me. So pretty. Okay, sorry, that was like really loud outside, but I just wanted to say goodbye, and let me know if you guys like this, if you want to see more, if there's any colors you want to see in future videos. Let me know, and subscribe if you haven't already, and like my video, make a comment, and I hope to hear from you.
Okay, see you next time. Bye.